Okay, sige, Jolo Angelo. Okay. Very good. Let me see. That's what? Diamond. Okay.
Ow. This. I get yan.
Let me see. Okay, follow. Very good. What's that one? That's no hexagon.
Hexagon.
Okay. Follow the dot. Okay. Very good. What's that one?
Circle.
No, that's rectangle.
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 Very good. Very good, Jolo Angelo.
It's a what?
Jolo, that's diamond. Oh, this one. What's this one? What's this one? This one.
Square.
No, that's triangle.
Triangle.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. This one.
I win.
Oh, very good. This one. What's this one? What's this one first? What's this one?
Oh.
Sir.
Circle.
Very good. Okay. This one. What's this one? What's that one, Jolo?
Square.
Very good. What's this one? This one.
Upo mani na suwat ng sa mani. Ako naman suwat.
Okay.
Ako naman na.
What's that one?
Diamond.
That has 5 corners.
5 corners.
That's pen.
Pen.
Tagon.
Tagon dyan. Kinsa mo na suwat na ni.
Okay, follow this one. Okay, the numbers.
Kinsa mo na numbers ka ni?
Hmm.
Na suwat.
Sige raman.